Alright, just in, extremely rare 2017 Ford Transit Sherrod high top handicap wheelchair conversion, fully loaded out, leather, rear entry, Braun ability, wheelchair lift, 32,000 miles. Very nice, clean van. I'm going to give you the full tour here. If you have any questions about this, just give us a call or shoot us a text at 954-561-2499. This van does have a clean Carfax. You can visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. This is what we do. We are a Braun Ability authorized service center and dealer. We've been in business for 49 years. We can ship anywhere in the world. We have financing available. Feel free to give us a call. Happy to help at any time. This is a Sherrod conversion with a rear entry, Braun Ability, power, handicap, wheelchair lift. Give you the full tour. The wheelchair lift is actually from 2021, so it is only a few years old. It does have an easy lock, Q-Lock 150 here in the back. It has a side bench seat here, fully loaded with burl wood cabinets, TV, kicker sound system, factory navigation, backup camera. This thing is loaded. Gorgeous black. Again, 32,000 miles. Very nice in and around the van. Give us a call if you have any questions. 954-561-2499. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. We can ship anywhere in the world. If you just give us a call, we're happy to help. Fully loaded, beautiful gray leather. You got outlets all through here. This is a power reclining seat. Bench seat on the side. Got your Q-Lock here in the back for the wheelchair. Beautiful gray burl wood. Does have your window shades. Very classy style gray burl wood. There's a few little marks in and around the interior just from normal wear and tear. That's about it. Overall, the van is very nice, clean, carpets clean, non-smoking van, clean Carfax. Again, it's a very nice, clean van. Very cool setup. Fully loaded leather, heated seats, factory navigation, backup camera, big screen, factory tow package. 32,967 on the mileage. May go up a little bit from demonstrating, but as you can see, the condition is very nice. Been a Southern van its whole life. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions you might have. We are happy to help. Overall, the van is in excellent shape. It's got a few little bug chips in and around the exterior just from normal wear and tear. It's a little bit of fading on the stripes, but that's about it. As far as body and exterior, obviously no rust. The chrome wheels have a little bit of curb rash on them. I would say that's from age. Tires are good. I would say the tires are about 80%. Tread life left. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to call us 954-561-2499. suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. 49 years in business. Let us know if you have any questions. We are happy to help. Braun Ability 750-pound platform lift. Again, we are a Braun Ability authorized service center and dealer. As you can see here, 750-pound capacity, and the manufacturer date was 3/4/2021. Awesome van, 30,000 miles. Hard to find another one like this. Got all your seating loaded out, ready to go. Give us a call. Happy to help. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. This is gorgeous 2017 Ford Transit, 32,000 miles. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We're happy to help. Thank you.